Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On my left, we have the EVGA 1000 GT, and on my right, the MSI A750GL. These two are here to battle it out for your gaming rig's attention. Who will reign supreme? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The EVGA 1000 GT is priced at a shocking $189, while the MSI A750GL is a more budget-friendly $99. Reviewers of the EVGA praise its high-quality construction and reliability, making it a solid investment. In contrast, the MSI is recognized for providing great quality at a good price, especially for budget builds. So if you want to splurge, go for the EVGA, but if you're on a budget, the MSI has you covered. Next, let's plug into efficiency. The EVGA boasts an 80 PLEOS Gold certification with 90% efficiency at 115 VAC and 92% at 220 VAC, 240 VAC. Reviewers highlight its quiet operation and efficiency, perfect for gamers. Meanwhile, the MSI is also 80 PLEOS Gold certified, and users have noted its good efficiency without strange noises, especially when gaming at high resolutions. Both are efficient, but the EVGA gets a slight edge for its detailed efficiency stats. Now, let's talk features. The EVGA is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need, which users love for its clean setup. It also features 100% Japanese capacitors and numerous protections, showcasing its high-end nature. On the flip side, the MSI is also fully modular and has a stylish design with plenty of cables. But some users mention challenges with cable management. For features, the EVGA is like that friend who brings artisanal cheese, while MSI is more like a solid store brand option. And what about warranties? The EVGA comes with a glorious 10-year limited warranty, reflecting its confidence in quality. Reviewers appreciate this long-term assurance. The MSI also boasts a 10-year warranty, showing that it stands by its product too. Both power supplies offer peace of mind, making them solid choices for long-term use. In summary, the EVGA 1000 GT is celebrated for its premium build quality, reliability, and efficiency, while the MSI A750GL is praised for its affordability, quiet operation, and good overall performance. Both have their strengths, catering to different types of users. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for top-notch efficiency and features, the EVGA 1000 GT is your go-to. But if you're on a budget, the MSI A750GL will keep your PC running without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.